Okay, ready, Eddie, Eddie? Are you ready, Eddie, Eddie?
Open it.
Huh? Open it? Yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's rock and roll.
Oh, whoa.
Rock and roll. Rock and roll.
Oh.
Oh, goddamn. Mama dropped the fork. All right, y'all. We at Aldi. We get ready to go inside real quick. Get a couple things that we need to restock the freezer. A few things for the refrigerator. And, yeah, that's about it. Yeah. All the food. You see all the food? Yes. You ain't getting no snacks. You skipping all of that.
Sushi. Muffin.
Muffins? Yeah. Yeah.
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Well, those are raspberries. Yeah.
Cute. Cute.
Look over there, see? Bananas. Let Mama get some bread. Cucumber. Cucumber. Yes. Ginger. Hey, Ginger.
Ew.
Didn't like it. Garlic. Garlic. It's not an ew. Potatoes. Sweet potatoes.
Ew.
It's not an ew. It's nummy num. Broccoli. Broccoli. Yes.
Ew.
It's not ew. It's nummy nummy. See, go ahead. Bang, bang, bang. Shake, shake, shake. Yes. Get it, big boy. Get it, big boy. No, that's chicken. Chicken. Yes. It's cold. That's cold. You're not gonna quite like it. Your chicken fingers. Chicken nuggets? Chicken nuggets. Num num.
Num
Num num.
num.
Pita pita. Nom 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 nom. Cold. Wanna hold one? Okay, cold. You don't like it? Oh, it's cold. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we gotta go get Mama's wallet. Thanks. She doing her job. Mind your business. Say bye. Say bye. He gonna say, watch when I turn around. He gonna be like, bye. Mama got that milk. All right. Ready? Let's rock and roll. Hold on, let Mama pop the trunk. All right, big boy. Hold Mama's keys. Thank you. All right, we went to the grocery store. Now I'm getting ready to. Oh, hold on. No, the sun's in my eye. We getting ready to go back home, put this stuff away, and he still needs to eat. He did not want to eat breakfast, so we finna go home, make him a little something to eat. Ain't that right, Stank? And then we'll be back when it's time for Josh to do his little dancey dance. Say bye, Stank. Say bye. Close that door. Yeah, stinking. That's a beach boy. Yes, you did. Oh, you did. Get on your shoes. Sit down. Plant your ball. Plant your ball. All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, watch your toes. I'm just stepping up. Yes, doggy. Is it good, Stankin'? Is it good, Stankin'? All right. She just wanna dance until she just wanna dance. She just wanna dance until she just wanna dance until she just wanna dance. Oh shit, oh well. This is my cucumber salad. I'm gonna have to drop the recipe because, and I'm missing a few ingredients today. So on top of that, I really need to be showing y'all. But this version, just as good. This is like dessert. I gotta make myself not eat it because I eat that whole bowl and say fuck this. Oh, it gave.
Your body driving crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the TIKTIK. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Now you want to run like a nothing. The dance for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah. I see. Why your horse I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody come run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah.
Okay, I got everything pretty much cleaned out, and I have a good idea of all the stuff that I still need to get from the grocery store, but there goes Stank. We doing good though. We doing good. We got everything cleaned out. I have found all kind of spills all back there, so I have to pull these drawers out, wipe the drawers out, and then put them back in there. Okay, I don't have time for all of this foolishness. And then I got all of my stuff in my jars, all my produce, blueberries, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, because I put them on everything. Another jar of cherry tomatoes back there. My mushrooms. These are my ramen jars, which y'all get to see a tutorial on how I do those. White rice noodle and brown rice noodle. Vegan, of course. And yeah, I gotta hurry up though, because we gotta leave in 15 minutes to go to the talent show. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to record myself washing these dishes and sweeping the kitchen, because I just can't. It's 1:27. I gotta be out this door by 1:45. Okay, so I'm gonna reheat my coffee. I've only been able to take a few sips because life, okay? But stay focused. It should say stay calm, don't cuss. Thank you, Auntie Tab. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in a few minutes. We're going to go see Josh at the talent show. And then also, when I come back, I'll show y'all how I clean my produce, which is very simple. I just throw it in the sink with baking soda and white distilled vinegar. And then I still got a juice. I have so much produce, y'all. My pineapple finna go bad because it's been sitting here for too long. What? Cookie. Yes, Cookie Monster. And then he wants me to see everything every second. I'm trying to clean up the mess in the office. Okay, this is not even my office no more. It's a damn daycare. Trying to clean up the mess in here and just get stuff out the way. Keep an eye on him. And, yeah. So let me hurry up. And I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. Lord have mercy. We gotta hurry up. All right. Turn the water down some, yeah. My God.